Profitable but still broke? Your sales look great, but your bank account say otherwise? Here's the truth. Profit doesn't mean cash flow. Cash flow is about timing, when money actually hits your bank account, not just what's owed to you. Waiting on invoices, paying bills before clients pay you, that's a cash flow trap. And it's how good businesses go under. Want to fix it? Learn how to forecast, save, and stay liquid. My book, Cash Flow Unlocked, is a step-by-step strategy that actually works. It is available on Amazon, link in the description. Soon to come, audio format.